After comparing different data mining techniques, a framework consists of content-based filtering and Google Cloud/NL API is proposed. Cloud/NL API provides capabilities like sentiment analysis, syntax analysis and entity analysis. For the framework, it utilizes the sentiment analysis capability. The framework starts with item list going through content-based filtering to return a recommended result. Feedback provided from user is sent to Google Cloud/NL API to get sentiment analysis result. Recommendation result have a weightage of 80% while sentiment analysis result has a 20% weightage. Both results contributes to calculate the final score for recommendation. Now, let's talk about content-based filtering. We will use Movie's recommendation system as example to explain how it works. First, have a look at the table below. We use 0 and 1 to represent whether a movie is associated with the specific categories. 0 for false and 1 for true. Based on the number of attributes for each movie, we normalize the table by dividing each attribute by the square root of the number of attributes. The result is as shown below. Let us have a look at the user engagement scores. For each movie, the score is calculated in a way such that, if the user has engaged in the item and written feedback on the item, it is rated 1. While if the user has engaged but not written any feedback, it is rated -1. It is left blank if there is no user engagement. Based on the normalized table and user engagement score, we can calculate user profiles by multiplying each normalized attribute with user engagement score to get the scalar products. Next, we identify the document frequency, DF, and calculate their inverse document frequency, IDF. Document frequency is the frequency of document found in the corpus of documents. The formula to calculate IDF is as below. The dot product of the movie's attributes and IDFs produces the weighted scores. The score will be used in dot product with user profile to make prediction for the user. Movies with negative values are not recommended to the user. The higher the value, the more likely the movie suits the user's taste. Now, let's talk about feedback analysis. When a user enters feedback, the feedback is sent to Cloud Natural Language API for sentiment analysis. The API will return a score in range of -1 to 1. -1 means it's negative while 1 means it's positive.